and largest city of England, and the United Kingdom with a population of just under 9 million. It stands on the River Thames in southeast England at the head of a 50-mile 80-kilometer estuary down to North Sea, and has been a major settlement for 2 millennia. The city of London, its ancient core and financial center, was founded by the Romans and Londonium and retains boundaries close to his medieval ones. Since the 19th century, the name London has also referred to the metropolis around his core, historically split. The counties of Middlesex, Essex, Surrey, Kent and Hertfordshire, which largely comprises Greater London, governed by the Greater London Authority. As one of the world's major global cities, London exerts a strong influence on its arts, entertainment, fashion, commerce and finance, education, healthcare, media, science and technology, tourism, and transport and communications. Its GDP €801.66 billion in 2017 makes it the largest urban economy in Europe, and it is one of the major financial centers in the world.